invented by John Walker in 1827. Now, in the year 2025, nearly 200 years later, matches are still used by people all over the world. So, have you ever wondered how a single matchstick is made? Right now, I'll take you on a tour of a factory that specializes in match production. The matchstick body is primarily made from softwood, such as birch, poplar, or pine, because these woods are easy to split and burn evenly. The workers here cut the wood into blocks, then remove the rough outer bark. This man with silver hair has been working here for 40 years, not because of a high salary, but because he is the owner of this match factory. This is the stage where the wood blocks are turned into thin sheets. The thickness of these sheets is exactly the same as the thickness of a matchstick. Next, the thin wooden sheets are fed into a cutting machine to be sliced into evenly sized sticks. This is the stage where the wood is cut into matchstick bodies. As you can see, the machine works at an incredible speed. It can produce thousands of matchstick bodies every minute. One such machine can do the work of over 20 laborers. After that, the matchstick bodies are carried by a conveyor belt to the next stage. Here, they are dried to ensure there's no moisture left inside. This factory has been in operation for over 40 years. On average, it produces around 500,000 finished matches per day. Now comes the chemical treatment stage, which ensures that the matches burn evenly and safely. The matchsticks are soaked in several commonly used chemicals, such as ammonium phosphate, which prevents the flame from traveling back down the stick, paraffin, which helps the stick catch fire more easily. Thanks to machinery, this process is much faster than doing everything by hand. Now, can anyone guess what this red mixture is? Actually, it contains red phosphorus, a highly flammable substance. In addition, it includes oxidizers like potassium chlorate, glue, powdered glass, dye for coloring, and binding agents. The match head is dipped into this mixture and left to dry. Just like that, the head of the matchstick is formed. Now, all it takes is a single spark to ignite the match head, and the result could be quite powerful. Finally, we reach the packaging stage. The packaging and labels are all produced in-house at this factory. These small paper boxes are made from wood and recycled materials to help protect the environment. The striking strip is attached to the side of the matchbox. This striking surface, also known as the friction surface, is typically made from red phosphorus, powdered glass, binding agents, colorants, and kaolin clay. The matchsticks are then placed into the paper boxes. I think the number of matches in each box might vary a bit, but that's not really a big deal, right? This man is inspecting the quality of the matches before they are released to the market. When the match head is struck against the striking surface, friction generates heat. The red phosphorus on the surface instantly transforms into white phosphorus, which is extremely flammable. A chemical reaction occurs with the potassium chlorate in the match head, causing the flame to ignite. This is why safety matches only light when struck on the designated striking surface, and not on random surfaces like walls, stones, or paper. And that was the entire process of how matches are made. If you found this video interesting, please hit the subscribe button and give my channel a like.